Welcome to Blue Bike Noise Channel. We go for a little ride. We're going for a big ride, do a little bike. But hey, I'm taking my sweetheart on a ride. Happy Valentine's Day, belated. Because it's probably a week late, 2 weeks, I don't know. We're in an intro, we'll dive into it. We'll take my favorite girl and Beth on a Valentine's Day ride. Check out a new old place. Oh, new but old. Anyway, you'll see. Alrighty, folks. Chickasaw. Alright, we show us a freight train. No, I don't. Hey, we on the motorcycle, taking my favorite girl, Lucille, for a ride on Valentine's Day. Beth come along with us. Her 3 wheels, you know, she got to tag along. Her off day. Her new job might work out pretty good for us. I don't know. We'll see. She said she gets paid more per hour. But it's just, yeah, we on today. Today's Friday, but it's February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. Yep, it is. The temperature said it was 32 degrees, but it don't feel 32. It feels warmer. It says 42. That sounds much better. Supposed to warm up to 57 today. Sunny and bright, sunny. No blue skies, no clouds. But that's supposed to change tonight. And tomorrow's supposed to be raining for the next 5 days. It's rained for 5 days in a row, seems like, since last Saturday. We under a flood watch, you know, a flood watch. Cedartown was flooded a little bit. Well, I went to Walmart last night from the yard, you know, from the word. From the yard, from where I work, you know, I don't know what else to say. So, yeah. As you can see behind me, probably not. There's a lot of debris in the road from where its ditches is overflowed. Hey, that's what I was going to say is, how your mama name? Anybody got them Valentine cards yet from hold on, my inner entail chips spinning up. Ucmpigs. Ooh, it's running slow today. It's running slow as every day. Y'all got them in? I didn't send them none because last time I sent it, I was in trouble because I didn't get a card from her for like 2 weeks later. So I stopped doing it. From Valentine, Virginia. Well, I was thinking she should have enough gas. Yeah. Huh. Anyway, she got enough to get to where we going. Where we going, you may ask? We're going over to an old place, location that we've been to many a times, and it's a new restaurant called El Coyote. Coyote. El Coyote. It's a Tex-Mex restaurant. It's a fancy, I don't know, I guess it's a Texican from Georgia, Mexican restaurant. It's mom and pop, family owned, what they say. What they say about almost Mexican restaurant, they're family owned. Donkeys. So, how you mama now? I wanna give a shout out to who I'm giving a shout out to. Well, other than Ucmpigs and shoot, the man's going to the dump. I gotta go to the dump. I got my trash loaded up. I just didn't do it yet. Platypus. Black Back Road Rider, he gave me this song, or I don't know how he did it, but sit back and enjoy some time lapse.
Sunrise hums, the road calls his name. Door fires, a Lucille riding just the same, with her 3 wheels rolling right behind through the winding roads, chasing good times. Old hands barking, ready to ride, leather and chrome, freedom by his side. Southern cruisers, burning daylight riders too. Wherever the rubber meets the road, he'll see it through. Blue bike and gold, thunder in the air, cruising down the highway without a single care. From wineries to ranching, he's living it right, just a man and his Harley chasing daylight. Behind the house, he's got a shed full of dreams. Hobo freight treasure stacked up to extremes. Tinkering and cussing, making something new. A little bit of mischief, a whole lot of blue. Both the bridle, hear Lucille roar. 1 more mile, then 1,000 more. A life well ridden, a road well known. On that blue bike, he's never alone. Blue bike and gold, thunder in the air, cruising down the highway without a single care. From wineries to ranching, he's living it right, just a man and his Harley chasing daylight.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that little what you call them? Time lapse. And the music that Back Road Rider gave me, old Joel. He made it for me. Go check him out, figure out how to do that. Anyway, that was an adventure coming across High Fall Road. We seen a deer. We seen a dog cross in front of me, and then it had a whole bunch of debris across the road. That and that and all, you know what I mean? Burn. It's 45 degrees. We might go back that way. Yep, that's a pretty good road. Yeah, buddy. So we like, about 4 or 5 miles, be over to Knuckleheads, you know. Knucklehead, but it ain't Knucklehead, it's called El Camino. El Coyote. El Coyote. Coyote. Alright, we over here. We over here in Rockmart, Georgia. Slow. She's slow. Coming in the back door. Oh, God. Ooh, big bump. Look like that place is full. Like the fire department come over here to eat. Coyote. I guess they don't want no bikers there. They parking in the... I'm gonna ask them about that. They don't want bikers to park here anymore. Alright, we're leaving El Coyote Mexican restaurant. It says Mexican, but now it says TEX-Mex. I thought in the... Anyway, I guess... It was real good. Bike night's going to be a soft open on March 6th, and then the big one's the March 20th, and then I'll see how it goes from there. So that sounds pretty good. I was going to ask them about, you know, they're going to do a bike night. So the other location real small. They got, it's a large bigger place now. So, very super nice guy. Got me a trucker hat, much as I hate trucker hats, but it's a good quality hat. Yep. Another radio station. Alright, so I'm gonna go find some go-go juice for Lucille. She needs a drink. Not really, but Beth does. Her grass, her spider needs some go-go juice. So we're gonna run over there and get some of that. Oh, hey, look, motorcycle friend. How you doing there, buddy? Doing alright? He's on a Sportster. Alrighty. Well, we can't go out that way. It says do not enter. Woo. Yeah, I want to gripe a little bit. Who is the MF that designs and tells where to put the toilet paper dispenser in public restrooms? What I want to know. Why do you got to put them behind and down below your knee to get your TP off of them? What would hurt if you put it up shoulder height? You know, you sitting down a thing, you look over and right there at eye level toilet paper dispenser. Rant over. Alright, so we're gonna go back over the mountain. Make a long ride. Whew. Yeah. Well, we're sitting here at this red light. And we have a red light challenge, if you want to call it that. But I'm gonna give you a surprise pack. A surprise prize pack. If you first one to lead the comment of the word that paid today, you have to go back and watch the video and figure out what word it is. I'm not gonna tell you. I made you watch the end. Probably didn't make you watch the end, but anyway, find out that word. It just don't fit with nothing. And first one to get it right gets a prize pack from the Blue Bike Doors channel. Woohoo! Might just be stickers. You don't never know. Up. But this is the road I was looking for. So run back through the word, do the video, and figure out a word that just out of the blue. Just, you know, and figure out what it is. The first one to say it in the comments wins. I'll be fair about it. There's Silver Comet Trail. There's a probably wouldn't like it if I rode down through there. Alright, well, go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. Was me and Lucille going to have a good Valentine Day ride. Later, and Beth.